Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, May the 30th, 2025. It seems Asia Pacific markets are on a joyride these days. Yesterday, all of them were up because the US Trade Court suspended Donald Trump's most controversial tariffs. Today, all of them are down. Well, almost. After a federal appeals court in the US temporarily reinstated the most sweeping of those tariffs. All markets in Asia, except Australia and Pakistan that we monitor, are down today. Well, the Pakistani market has its own dynamics, and let's see if we can make sense of this week's trading activity. So this is what we've been talking about. When the market is in such a narrow trading range, there's only so much you can say day after day. Once again, today we have a green candle. Once again, on a day when all of Asia is down, well, everybody except Australia. But they're down because they're in sync. They're correlated with the global markets more than the Pakistani market is. We, as we have shown through a study before, are not really very correlated with the outside world. So today's commentary is much the same as yesterday's. Again, the market is still above all crucial moving averages. The market is still unable to meet this high. The market is still unable to move to the upside or the downside. Remains confined in a very narrow trading range. Interestingly though, the RSI has started creeping up again. There were expectations that it would drop a little more, but then that counted on price range dropping a little more. That's not happened. So again, it's moving towards the 60 mark. And as we've said endlessly over the last 2-3 weeks, this is a very crucial barrier. Another interesting point to note is that volatility is continuously dropping over the last few days. So with less volatility, a less wild market, even though it's still above 2,000 points, the market is making another push for this same high. And the only thing we can say about this market, which is maybe slightly new, although not completely new, is that for very eager analysts who are just anticipating a break above this point, which may very well be true, we'd caution not to do that till this barrier is first broken. That's the only value add we have so far in this market, unless there is some meaningful price action, for which we remain poised, especially as the budget draws near. Thank you.